Have multiple X accounts and want to add those accounts on the same device? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add another Twitter account. Let's get started. First, open the application. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Then, at the top right, tap on the three dots. Tap on Create New Account if you want to make a completely different account, or tap on Add Existing Account if you want to log into your other account. I'm selecting Add Existing Account. Now all you have to do is type in your username or email, then enter your password. Then you will be able to add another Twitter account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.